everything is fortune and everything is mercy of Krishna. The desire to want to meet a sadhu, the ability to meet a sadhu, the darshan of a sadhu or saintly person, it's all Krishna's mercy. So actually one saint told me, he said the fruit of your bhajan is sadhu sangha. Very nice. He said if you're doing proper bhajan, sadhus will come to you directly to your kutir, or you will be directed by Krishna to go meet one. This is the proof that your sadhana is pleasing Krishna. Ishvara sarvabhutanam Ridesh Arjuna tishtati Brahmayan sarvabhutani yantarudaya mayaya. So this is a yantra, sharir yantra, machine of the body. And bhakti is being directed by Paramatma, Krishna, Antaryami. It says, Krishna says, Uddhava is glorifying Krishna at the end of the Uddhava Gita. He's saying, Acharya Chaitya Vapusha. Acharya Chaitya Vapusha. You're so kind. And he says, Vyanakti. He says, Marga Vyanakti. Vyanakti Prakash. In two forms, Krishna comes as two forms to reveal the path of perfection. Acharya Chaitya Vapusha. One is the Acharya, the Shrestha Jana, the Shrestha Acharya, the Guru. He's external, we see. That's Acharya. Then Chaitya, Acharya Chaitya, Chaitya Vapu. Vapu means Rupam, form. Krishna, you're so loving and kind and compassionate for the jeeves. You come as Guru and you come as Paramatma. So when Krishna is pleased with the bhajan, as a Chaitya Guru, he directs you, go meet this sadhu, go meet that sadhu. Oh, I have this idea, I want to meet this sadhu. And then you'll even find out about it. You won't even, before that, you don't even know about sadhus. You don't even know where they are, or where they stay. But as your bhajan, the proof that your bhajan is good is that Krishna will give you the darshan and association of sadhus. This is the proof. If you go on for 7,000 lifetimes, 7,000 years, chanting and rising early and all that, but Krishna is not directing you for the anurag sadhu sangha, then long time to go. Sadhu sangha, sarva shastra hoy. Lavamatra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi hoy. This is teachings.